This RockBerry 66-piece food storage set gives you an unusually broad range of container shapes and capacities, so it can handle everything from full meal prep to tiny sauce portions without hunting for extras. The containers nest inside one another and stack neatly with their lids on, which makes a big difference if you are short on cabinet or refrigerator space. Snap-locking lids with a silicone-style seal keep liquids from escaping, so soups, curries, and leftovers can travel in a bag without making a mess. The plastic feels sturdy enough for daily use, and it holds up well to repeated trips through the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher when the lids are removed for heating. Because the material is free of bisphenol A and designed for reuse, it is a more reassuring option than flimsy disposable boxes for long-term food storage. Between the clear walls that let you see contents at a glance and the wide mix of sizes, this set makes it much easier to keep a pantry or meal prep routine organized.